could put you out of commission for the rest of the year.
Why do you have to speak so much? It's incessant.
Cause I've still got some blood in me veins. You old bastards have forgotten how to live.
I blame you two for rescuing him.
Far too much trouble for what we got out of it.
Yeah, takes a whole army of bounty hunters to bring in Sean McGuire.
They're left here, towards Rhodes.
So back to what I was talking about. And look at me now, in the gutter sea. Back in business, boys. You know, my dad always used to say...
Not the dad, please.
Not this again.
Fine. Damn you three. Sulky, angry, Scarface. A right barrel of laughs. So, we block the tracks with the wagon, then jumping. That's the plan.
Pretty much. Charles, you deal with the engineer. John, secure the passenger car fast, take charitable donations, and make sure everyone behaves. Little Mr. McGuire, you focus on the baggage car. Grab any valuables you can find. Shoot your mouth, get a bullet back.
So, what are you doing?
I'll run point. Keep an eye out for outriders and the law. Help you three where I can.
All right for some. Cherry picking, I call that.
We'll be out in the middle of nowhere, so it'll take a while for any word to get to the law. But here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. We handle this right, nobody needs to die here.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, ha! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes. I need to get up there. Finish up here and join us on board.
Bastard. All yours, Captain. We'll go on ahead. All right, get on that train. Go on, get on there.
Everybody stay calm and nobody gets shot. Go. Everything you got. Money, valuable.
I beg you.
There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full. Why don't you open your eyes?
I ain't got nothing.
You want to have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
Don't help
Ain't worth
me.
dying over. Tell him, Mr.
Money,
Ernie.
valuable.
Don't do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay. Come on.
Okay.
In the bag,
God
everything
damn
you
it.
got. Keep it coming. Don't be shy.
People like you make me sick.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2.
Deal with these two, will you, Mr. M?
God damn it. Sick is better than dead, lady. And I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can be over. Let's make this quick.
I am adverse to conflict, my friend.
Tough guy, huh? You sure about
No,
that?
you go ahead and look
You
for the
show this
baggage
son
car.
of a bitch we ain't playing.
Come on!
Très peu
pour moi. Merci.
Everything you got. Money, valuables. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend then.
Please, I'll do anything.
Come on. Money now! Son of a bitch.
Come on, cuff it up, people. Don't be shy.
Not a bad man.
Everything you got. Let's go.
Don't help me. Just put the gun down. I beg of you.
Let's go, Mr. M. Next carrot. I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Sorry, couldn't kill you.
What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taking a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
Get up, you little Irish shit. Get up.
Need some help here, Mark?
I'll miss you, brother.
This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
I'll try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny. Gonna have a right out lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
Are those tennis rackets in there? Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
Arthur, we've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only two of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Ed, there's a few more of them turning up.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
Last chance.
We got more on the left. More coming through the trees, you see them?
Look out behind us! Coming in on horses! Come on, boys, let's get the hell out of here!
That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals of the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine, see if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.